That's all 4 pushed out. So I just got some iron grease here, put on the side of it, help it slide in. Always helps to do things like that. And we'll set this one up. Rightio guys, so good news, got the bushes in. The 2 rear ones I had that trouble with, but I ended up using the same tool, got a grunty rattle gun and sent them home. So we'll, how about we put this in today? I'll do a bit of a time lapse, just because it will take too long of a full video putting that in, be a few hours, well maybe. So we'll start putting it in, eh? Rightio guys, subframe's in. We've got my nephew Kobe here helping me put the wheels back on. I've just taught him how to do wheel nuts. What side goes in towards the wheel?
The tapered one.
That's the right one. So he's putting the wheels on for me, teach them young. Back rolling. Got some Series 2 headlights too now. They've got that groove. Perfect. Everything looks good. Hey guys, we're still on the first test drive after putting the subframe in, just making sure everything feels right and there's no funny noises. But yeah, so far so good. Might need to play around with the rear toe. Just to, one wheel looks a bit more toe than the other, but this looks alright anyway. But yeah, cheers for watching. Make sure you subscribe, push that like button, and we'll bring you more content. Cheers guys.